start getting these quad bikes up. Made it through the mud bit. So this is our little area where we start using this. So, well, we'll just be doing that type of stuff. And go! Record. As you heard him, we're now heading to the watering hole. Sorry if it's a bit shaky, we don't have any GoPros or anything right now, so we need to earn some money to buy some, because I'm having to drive one-handed on this. So, right now, we have not a drift track, but like somewhere where we just drift around. And right now we're heading to the watering hole. Possibly one of the best parts here. But if you're a subscriber to us, you'll know that we do a lot of jumps on these quad bikes and our bikes. So, hope you guys like this video. Can you please smash like and subscribe?
Very, very, very deep. Okay? And we're gonna go right round it twice. Look. It is very, very deep. And it goes all the way round to there. Okay? Right. This is gonna be wild.
Alright, so far, we've done the drifting, and now we're into the water pit. Do you want to go first? Alright, he's going to go first and I'm going to go second. So, hope you guys like it. Sorry, I'm just a bit nervous because this is our first video. But, we're out here recording videos for you guys and that's the reason we do it. And then we also have a hill that we sometimes go up, so I'll make my friend record that instead of me this time. So, hope you guys are liking the video so far. He seems to be heading back into the watering hole. I didn't know we were going to do that. But, So, as you know, we like quad biking and all of that, so we're going to just be doing a bit of quad biking today. possibly doing some normal cycling and hitting jumps at night. That'll be fun. By the way, this stuff is for 16 and over, but we have permission to do it, so anybody who was thinking of doing this type of stuff, go for it. You can do it. Our inspiration is Seaboys TV, and hopefully we can meet them in the future. Alright, I'll pass you on to my friend.
Right, so guys, this is the drifting point.
Wait,
Go round and round there,
I'm gonna do a drift.
and my friend's gonna do a drift. Now I'm going to do a drift.
So this is our small drifting track, and well, he knows this place better than me, so we've only been quad biking for like 2 years now, maybe a year, but yeah, so now we'll head to the jump. Alright, we're heading to the jumps now. Alright. We're none of those fake YouTubers who like cut things out and stuff. Well, I hope you guys like this YouTube channel. As you know, our inspiration is Seaboys TV. And hopefully maybe it's someone useful. And in the comments, I know we're like a really small YouTube channel, but we're just trying to make it, and then that's about it. And I'm also just trying to make you guys happy. Hopefully you guys are happy when we make videos. So once we do that, and once we become a big YouTube channel, we're going to be to my friend to get some, and we'll record first jump. You're recording my first jump.